Calming your mind and relaxing your mind is one of a very important thing. Today, we are going to learn this pranayam called Rechaka, which teaches you to let go so that you have peace of mind. When we let go the past, we let go many things, we see the improvement in our life. I am Manju, a yoga therapist from Stressfree Yoga. So today we are going to learn this pranayam Rechaka. When you do this pranayam, you learn to give away negativity, your impurities, your tensions, your anxiety, and you see that you inhale your positivity, you inhale many good things. You see a total change in your life. You start learning let go and giving. So we start. Sit in any meditative posture. Your palms relaxed on your knees. I'm in sukhasana in chin mudra. Your inhalation and exhalation should be very soft, smooth, continuous and non-jerky. One count of inhalation is 1 second and one count of exhalation is 1 second. So we start. Your breathing ratio should be inhale. If inhale is 1, the exhalation is double. We'll inhale 2 and exhale 4. If you don't have any health problems, you can increase the count. 3 inhale and 6 exhale. Inhale. When you inhale, your stomach should rise. Exhaling, your stomach should go in towards the back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your belly and breathe normally. Inhale. Exhale. Release your stomach. Normal breathing. So we start with counts. Inhale 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4 and release your stomach and breathe normally. Now I start with 3 inhale and 6 exhale, taking my belly towards the back. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release your stomach. Normal breathing. So when you exhale nicely, you breathe also nicely, you inhale also nicely. So the inhalation becomes good and your concentration, your oxygen level, your breathing capacity also improves. Your stability, your memory. Exhalation also benefits you a lot. If you're practicing this separately, you can practice this 30 times. But if you're practicing it with other pranayams, then you need to practice only 10 times. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel so that we stay connected. Put your comments in the comment box. I would love to see. Thanks a lot. God bless.